I get it. Buying commercial insurance isn't fun. It's something you might be required to do based on a business loan or a lease or a job that you have for a customer where they're looking at your policy. And you don't make any money from buying insurance, but we see the other side of it. We've had customers with multi-million-dollar fires that would have been put out of business without insurance. And yeah, those insurance companies seem real stingy to those people who pay premiums and never file claims. We should all be so lucky as to never have to file a big claim with an insurance company, because I've seen the other side of it, and I've seen where the insurance company stepped up and became not the hero because they just did their job, but made the customer thankful that they, number one, had insurance and had insurance with a certain carrier, because the carrier did a great job keeping them from going out of business, whether it's paying for lost earnings, lost wages, keeping your employees from jumping ship and going and finding other jobs while you're kind of incapacitated from a fire or some other covered claim. These are nobody wants to put these up as like hero stories, but this is why we buy commercial insurance. So I know it's never a good time to shop for it, but if you have any question at all whether you've got the right coverage or the right amount of coverage, don't wait. By the time you have that claim and you need your insurance, it's too late. That's really what we want to get across to our customers, and the people we talk to, the prospects we talk to about joining us. When you come on board with us, we're going to do all the front end work, hopefully do it well enough the first time that you'll never have to do it again, because shopping your insurance is not fun, but everybody needs to do it. So whenever you're ready, give us a call.